A dead battery is one of the most common car problems you will ever face. And if you do not know how to jump-start a car correctly, you can damage your vehicle, your cables, or even hurt yourself. I am going to walk you through every step the right way so you are ready when it happens. Before you start, you will need a set of jumper cables. Keep a set in your trunk at all times. You will thank yourself later. You will also need a second vehicle with a working battery. Make sure both vehicles are turned off before you connect anything. Step 1. Position the working vehicle. Pull the good car close enough so the jumper cables can reach both batteries. The vehicles should not be touching each other. Step 2. Identify the battery terminals. Every battery has two terminals. Positive is marked with a plus sign and is usually red. Negative is marked with a minus sign and is usually black. Make sure you can clearly see both terminals on both batteries before you start connecting anything. Step 3. Connect the jumper cables in the correct order. This is the most important part. Get this wrong and you can damage electronics or cause a spark near the battery. Connect the red cable to the positive terminal on the dead battery first. Connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal on the good battery. Connect the black cable to the negative terminal on the good battery. Connect the last black cable end to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car's engine block. A bolt or bracket works perfectly. Do not connect the last black cable to the dead battery itself. Connecting it to the engine block instead reduces the risk of sparks near the battery. Step 4. Start the working vehicle. Start the car with the good battery and let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to the dead one. Step 5. Start the dead vehicle. Try to start the car with the dead battery. If it starts, great. Let it run. If it does not start, wait another 2 to 3 minutes and try again. If it still will not start after a few attempts, the battery may be too far gone and will need to be replaced. Step 6. Disconnect the cables in reverse order. Once the dead car is running, remove the cables in the exact opposite order you put them on. Remove the black cable from the engine block first. Remove the black cable from the good battery second. Remove the red cable from the good battery third. Remove the red cable from the previously dead battery last. Never let the cable clamps touch each other while any end is still connected to a battery. Step 7. Keep the jumped car running. Drive the jumped vehicle for at least 15 to 20 minutes to allow the alternator to recharge the battery. Do not shut it off and immediately try to restart it. The battery needs time to recover. If your battery dies again shortly after, it is time for a new battery. A typical car battery lasts 3 to 5 years. If yours is in that range, just replace it. Now you know exactly how to jumpstart a car safely and correctly. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world car tips. Drop a comment below with any questions. I read every single one. See you in the next one.